Hi everyone. Today we are making a very tasty brinjal or eggplant stir fry that uses simple spices available in most kitchens. Although called brinjal fry, there is no deep frying involved. It is a very delicious side dish for biryani rice or chapati. So let's start. We'll use about 3 brinjals for this recipe. Slice the brinjal into two lengthwise, then cut into chunks as preferred. Soak the brinjal chunks in water, to which 1 tablespoon salt has been added to prevent oxidation. Meanwhile, we can heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add sliced onions, sliced green chili, and curry leaves. Now we can add sliced tomatoes and ginger garlic paste and stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the brinjal slices. Stir to roast the brinjal chunks in the oil until partially cooked for about 2 minutes. Now we will add some spices. First, Kashmiri red chili powder, then turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and coriander powder. Stir to mix and add salt and also brown sugar. Stir for another 2 to 3 minutes to absorb the flavors. Then add 3 tablespoons of water. Cover the pan to cook for about 3 minutes or until the brinjal is soft and the oil separates. Then garnish with some shredded coriander leaves. We can serve this brinjal varuval with rice or chapati. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple recipes. Until then, happy cooking!